Hey everyone, welcome back to Learn Python with Moise. In the last video, I told you about strings and string functions. Link in the description below. In this video, we're diving into another fundamental concept in Python, lists. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what lists are, but also how to use some essential list methods. Let's get started. So what exactly is a list in Python? A list is a collection of items which can be of different data types, such as strings, integers, and booleans. You can think of a list as a way to store multiple values in a single variable. Lists are ordered, mutable, and allow duplicate elements. Take this for example. My list equals 5, 10, 15, 20. Now, if first notice how it's enclosed in square brackets and separated by commas. Now, if I do print my list and then go to run this, it'll give the literal value of my list. Next, let me show you how to access items in the list. Seeing as Python uses a zero-based indexing system, as I've said previously, if I do 0 here, as 5 is position index 0, and I run this, it'll just give me 5. If you can guess what will happen if I put in 3, you will see I get 20 in here. Now, try thinking what would happen if I do my list at position, let's do 2 equals 2, and then I print out my list. I would get the list, but with the third element, index 2, replaced with 2. This is called replacing in lists and or modifying. Let's say you want to remove an item from a list. Python provides methods like remove, pop, and clear for this purpose. Look at this. My list dot remove 5. Now if we print out my list and run this, you'll see that number 5 is removed from the list. Now look, if I do pop, then and now print it out, you'll see that the last index or item has been popped from the list. The last function is clear, which simply makes the list empty and clears it out. Finally, let me show you the functions such as sort and reverse. Sort will, let's quickly put this in a random order. Sort will sort out the items and put it back into ascending order. And next reverse will simply reverse the objects. Now that you've got the basics done, it's time for a quick exercise. Try creating a list of your own with at least 5 items. Then use the methods we discussed to modify your list. Add a new item, replace an item, sort the list, and then reverse the list. Pause the video now. Okay, I've created this code. Let's review it together. First, I created a list with 5 items and called it my fruits, with the values of apple, banana, grape, orange, and mango. Next, I added an item to the list, blueberry. So now my fruits is equal to apple, banana, grape, orange, mango, and blueberry. Then I replaced an item. I replaced the 4th indexed item with date, which is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I replaced mango with date. Next, I removed banana, and then I sorted and reversed. Let's see what the output was. Orange, grape, date, apple, blueberry. Now it's done. So now, thanks. Please like, share, subscribe. Goodbye.